All right, you guys, so today is June 29th, a day before closing. So we are just going to do a walkthrough because when I came by earlier, nothing was done. So yeah, so first things first that we noticed, the tree is dead. Also, the grass is not mowed or anything. We also have several dead spots in the yard, as you can see. Dead spots all over. So basically the front yard. We got food and stuff here. Also, when we came last time, we were told that this was gonna get fixed right here. And they said it was first they said it was a plumbing issue, then they said it was irrigation, and yeah, it is still filled with water. And then all this right here gets soggy. It's actually soggy right now. I'm sinking in. We also asked, could this along here be touched up, as well as, you know, using the concrete to replace and fix all these divots because it looks horrible. We were told that they could, but as y'all can see, the grass, it's dying. We have our blue tape right here where things are supposed to be fixed. I'm trying to catch all of the blue tape on the outside before we go on the inside. Also, I'm recording. Also, these right here have not been painted. We do have some blue tape right here, but then we also said focus all of this up here. It's not flush that they're supposed to fix, and it hasn't been fixed. Right here, the door frame. This down here. And so let's walk around really quick. So as y'all can see in the backyard, we have dead spots all over, and I'm not understanding why, because this is brand new grass. Huge spot over here where it just looks like it's missing. So as y'all can see, there's the blue spot there. We also asked for some pine straw right here. We don't have any pine straw. See this right here? So on some of the pieces of blue tape, we do have things notated. So as y'all can see, more dead spots. This doesn't look good. It's not connected to anything. All right, and then of course, blue tape. Let's see what that says. Okay. Trash out here. We also have blue tape here, here, here. There was, I believe, blue tape in the driveway, but it's not here. Here. All right here. Up here. Here. And then this right here is an arrow pointing up. Okay? Also, these have not been painted. Look, plastic still on here. Up here. Literally blue tape. Up here. Still plastic. Now there was some stuff right here. They did pick it up, so I'm thinking it was like some putty or something. But yeah. We also had blue tape here. That was supposed to get fixed, so I'm not sure, but as y'all can see. Oh, and the light. They haven't cleaned up the light. Blue tape everywhere. So now let's go inside. Alright, some items that we noticed that are fixed but still an issue. This was broken off, but they did fix it, but there's paint drippings. So it kind of looks like they came in and did like just a rush job on some things. It's paint on the floor, as y'all can see. It's cut on the light. And so we had blue tape all right here because, hold on, let's focus. All right here because paint drippings. It's not fixed. Not fixed. Not fixed. The window seals because we noticed. But yeah, it's definitely not fixed and doesn't look cleaned up. And as y'all can see, paint is on the floor. And so now we're gonna go forward. The stairs, I mean, they did do some type of painting, but as you can see, it's still not complete. The outlets still don't look like they're flush. Parts of the wall that we marked that I see. So we're in here. None of this is clean. So I'm trying to figure out how they're gonna clean and do everything come tomorrow. And this paint was on the floor when we came last week to do the walkthrough, and it is still here. All right, so now we're in the dining room. And there were several spots in here as well. And as y'all can see, they didn't get all the blue tape. There's still blue tape in places that they need to fix. And still pencil marks from things that they need to fix. So y'all see that with the window seal? It's not completely done. So it just looks like they threw up stuff. All right. And then also right here, we notated that. The pantry door. Literally, y'all, they just came. Yeah. They just snatched the tape off. So my dad mentioned that on the island there was some nail marks. Also, for proof, here's proof of our notice that they called. This is from the, so let's take a picture of this. So I'm not sure if that's fixed or not, but as y'all can see, there's still stuff here. We literally went through this kitchen with a fine-tooth comb. Now the dishwasher is not even all the way pushed in. They're supposed to clean out the garbage disposal, but I'm not 100% sure. And then they were also supposed to check with their manager about that being down there. So yeah. They have our documents on here. Let's see what it says. All this stuff was not done. Pool carpet and rear bathroom. But y'all see that. These are some more of our documents with our signature. And then here's our final walkthrough paper. But y'all, it's looking like it ain't about to be dead. Alright, so y'all see it's still blue tape in here. And they did fix this, which Dad said it looks better than what it did. Because y'all, it was definitely trash juice. So let's take a picture. Alright y'all, so y'all look at this. So we still got stuff right here. Back door was open. But I still got all this on here. This has not been pressure washed or caulked like they said. It's not cleaned up at all. And y'all see it's still blue tape here. Alright. There's still stuff on the floor. Also, there's paint all on the floor, all here. And then this looks like trash juice. It's paint here, paint down here, or they just did whatever. Now also in the garage, my husband specifically asked, could these things up here, let's zoom in, could those be white? It's still orange. This was part of our blue tape. As you can see, still orange. Now they did fix the stuff we had on the walls, but not everything, because look right there. It just looks like they pressure washed on the inside this, because it's dewy in here. All right, so now we are out of the garage. We are going into the bathroom. And as you can see, there's still a lot of stuff on here. Bathroom's not clean. Paint on the floor. Stuff on here. Paint in the tub. We also notated on the doors because these are coming out. Focus. Alright, even right here. It looks like they just put stuff up, and you could tell they were doing something because it's missing a screw. Alright, so now we are in the bathroom, the bedroom downstairs, and if y'all look at the carpet, it's still not 100% tucked. And then also, stuff on the floor, and the outlet. It just looks like they just put it up there and tried to paint around it to make it stick. Everything in here pretty much looks normal. All right, so we asked them to fix around here, and it's still, you can tell where they fixed it. Let's put it that way. You can still see the paint lines. All right, so now let's go upstairs.
There's nothing up there.
Now, when I went up here the other day, they were fixing the boards in the floor because they were creaking. But first, the bathroom. So we're in here. We're looking. Now, let's go look in the closet. Now, as y'all can see, they have some things pulled up, some things not. So these are still down. This is still down. I'm not sure if those are supposed to be shoe racks or what. But also, let's notate, we got paint on the carpet. Paint on the carpet. Looks like they tried to pull it up with something, but it's a no for me. So yeah. Also, right here, y'all see that spot? All right, let's go to the next one. And so we also asked for this to be fixed. And you can't see it, but you can also feel it. It's all kinds of stuff like dirt in here. You can kind of see the little spots, but it's dirt. Carmen, did you just like my car?
Yeah.
Oh, these spots right here. Here. Yeah, we requested for this to be repainted.
It's back part.
Also, here.
This foot.
So we know they were in here putting blinds, but we also asked for some of these items, like so, to be fixed. So you can still see that there's some painting that needs to be done. You can also see right here where they just slat, just some type of paint. All right, so now we're gonna go into this bedroom. the carpet is still not tucked 100%. But you can see that they were in here because of the paint buckets. But right here was where we had an issue, and all they did was put putty. They also didn't paint right here. So yeah, that's the notation. And my cell phone's gonna die, so there's that. But yeah, they didn't fix that. All right, so now let's go to the bathroom. All right, so here in the bathroom, we had this notated right here. And you can tell that they tried to fix it around here. You see that? They did end up coming to fix the toilet lid while we were here, but there's still spots where they didn't fix. Alright, here, and now there's new marks on stuff. So now we're here. The issue with these rooms is the carpet wasn't tucked. Now it looks like it is, so I will say carpet people did what they were supposed to do. Alright, so now we are in this bedroom, and this is where the tucking really needed to be made because the person who came, he nicked his finger here.
Mommy, get down here.
And then same thing for Leah's closet. We notated that. So yeah. There are door stops, but then also here. Let's look at these outlets. See? And there's still blue tape on the floor for things that they need to fix. Oh, and up here. Did you check in our room? Alright, so it's a circle here.
2 dots are down.
Sorry to zoom in on Carmen. But y'all see it? The circle up there.